Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts on Capcut Mobile. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is you want to actually open Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't really matter which one. And then you want to go to this website called dafonts.com, and this is the website we are going to use in order to find actual fonts we want to import into Capcut. You can literally type in whatever you want, whatever font you want, or if you want some type of font, so for example a thick font, you simply type in thick and you will now get a lot of fonts that are quite thick. For example, I'm just going to use the first one and it's completely free. So you click on download and you click on download again. It's, by the way, the exact same steps over on Android in case you're using an Android. Now what you want to do is you want to click on this blue little circle right here and you want to go to downloads. Then here's the font we downloaded, so we're going to click on it. And now what we're going to do is we are simply going to hold the file we downloaded just now and we're going to click on share, and we're actually going to click on Capcut because we need to import it into Capcut. So we're going to click on import footage to Capcut just like that. And then what you simply want to do is you want to go back to your files just like this, and you actually want to click on that thing we just downloaded by clicking on it. And now it will actually open into a tick.ttf file, and that's the actual file we need to use. So now we want to go back to Capcut again, and now we're going to click on the small little plus icon right here, and you want to type in the fonts you just downloaded. So mine is called Tick, so I'm just going to type in Tick, just like that, and I'm going to click on it. Now you want to simply click on open, just like that, and we can see that it says font imported, and I now have this font called Tick here at Added Fonts, as you guys can see. So here are all the Capcut fonts, but if you go to Add Fonts, you will now see your own custom fonts you just added. So that's how you can add custom fonts on Capcut Mobile. If you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.